Welcome to Happy Habits TV, where we teach you life skills so you can be the best version of yourself. I'm Dr. Pippi, your friendly neighborhood scientist. Today, we're going to talk about time and money. Chapter 1, Telling Time, Tick-Tock, It's Time to Learn. Hey there, kids! It's Dr. Pippi here, ready to teach you all about telling time. That's right, we're going to learn how to read clocks, tell time, and make schedules. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dr. Pippi, telling time sounds boring and hard. But don't worry, my little timekeepers, I'm going to make it fun and easy. First things first, let's talk about clocks. Clocks come in all shapes and sizes, but they all have the same basic parts: a face, hands, and numbers. The face is the round part of the clock that shows the time. The hands are the little sticks that point to the numbers. And the numbers are the symbols that show what time it is. When you look at a clock, you'll see two hands. The short hand tells you what hour it is, and the long hand tells you what minute it is. You can remember this by thinking of the short hand as the hour hand and the long hand as the minute hand. Now, let's practice telling time. If the short hand is almost pointing to the 1 and the long hand is pointing to the 11, what time is it? That's right, it's 5 to 1. And if the short hand is almost pointing to the 2 and the long hand is pointing to the 10, what time is it? That's right, it's 10 to 2. But telling time isn't just about reading clocks. It's also about making schedules and managing your time effectively. By learning how to tell time, you'll be able to plan your day and make the most of your time. So there you have it, my little timekeepers. By learning how to tell time, you're building a valuable life skill that will help you manage your time effectively and make the most of each day. So go forth and practice your time-telling skills, and before you know it, you'll be a master timekeeper. Chapter 2, Money, Counting Coins and Dollars. Hey there, my little money masters. It's time to talk about money. Money is a way to buy things, save for the future, and give to others. But in order to use money effectively, you need to know how to count it and understand its value. First, let's talk about coins. Coins come in different sizes, shapes, and colors, but they all have a value. For example, a penny is worth 1 cent, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. To count coins, you need to add up their values. For example, if you have 3 nickels, how much money do you have? That's right, you have 15 cents. But money isn't just about coins. It's also about dollars. Dollars come in bills, like 1s, 5s, 10s, and 20s. Each bill has a value, and you can use them to buy things or save for the future. To count dollars, you need to add up the value of the bills. For example, if you have 2 $10 bills and 3 $1 bills, how much money do you have? That's right, you have $23. But understanding the value of money isn't just about counting coins and dollars. It's also about learning how to save, spend, and give money wisely. By learning how to manage money effectively, you'll be able to achieve your goals and make a positive impact on the world. So there you have it, my little money masters. By learning how to count coins and dollars and understanding the value of money, you're building a valuable life skill that will help you manage your finances effectively and achieve your goals. So go forth and practice your money skills, and before you know it, you'll be a money master. Chapter 3, Fun Fractions, Sharing and Dividing. Hey there, my little fraction friends. It's time to talk about fractions. Fractions are a way of dividing things into smaller parts, like sharing a pizza or dividing a cake. First, let's talk about what a fraction is. A fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. It has 2 parts, the top number, which tells you how many parts you have, and the bottom number, which tells you how many parts make up a whole. For example, if you have a pizza and you cut it into 8 slices, each slice is 1/8 of the pizza. 1/8 is a fraction, with 1 as the top number and 8 as the bottom number. Now, let's practice dividing things into fractions. If you have a cake and you cut it into 4 equal parts, what fraction of the cake is each part? That's right, each part is 1/4 of the cake. And if you have a bag of candy and you want to share it equally with 2 friends, how much candy does each person get? That's right, each person gets 1/2 of the candy. But fractions aren't just about dividing things up. They're also about understanding proportions and ratios. By learning about fractions, you'll be able to understand how different parts relate to each other and make comparisons. So there you have it, my little fraction friends. By learning about fractions, you're building a valuable life skill that will help you share and divide things effectively, understand proportions and ratios, and make comparisons. So go forth and practice your fraction skills, and before you know it, you'll be a fraction master.